Hey everybody, I had a Heine Werner floor jack. Sorry if I said that wrong, but it wasn't going all the way up. It would go up and then stop, and then it wouldn't hold weight. I could push it back down. So I didn't want to get a new jack because it was old and it was very efficient and strong. So this is what I did: turn the handle counterclockwise. That's to open it counterclockwise. Lay it on its side like that on the front. This one has a fill hole in the back, so I had to do it that way to put oil into the system. Took the little screw out, slowly add oil specifically for hydraulic jacks, like a few drops at a time. If it kind of comes back out of the hole and runs out of the hole, you may be going too fast. So just slowly do it so you can get all the fuel and all the oil in as much as possible. Take a screwdriver, put reapply the screw, lay it horizontal again, turn the handle clockwise to close it up, and then pump and see how much force you're exerting. See if it's working. If not, put it back down. We're gonna go counterclockwise again. We're gonna open it back up, do the same thing, put some more oil in it, and put this screw back in. Then we're gonna turn the handle clockwise again to close everything up. Lay it back horizontal, and I had to do it twice to get the proper effect. That's what happens. I was low on hydraulic fluid, and that's what the problem was. So I didn't have to buy another jack. Just be patient if that happens to you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.